I love almond butter, and I wanted to make it at home in my Greenstar Juicer. So I looked on YouTube to find a video to show me how, and there really wasn't a good one. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. It's been my experience that warming the almonds before you make the almond butter helps incorporate the oils into the solids as you mix up the mixture. So I always stick them in the oven at about 300 degrees for 15 or 20 minutes. First thing you have to do is change from a juicing setup to a nut butter setup. So you have to take out the juicing screen and you'll replace it with this blank screen. And of course you have to take this off because that's where the nut butter comes out. And then we'll just finish off by putting our container underneath. And it's showtime. I like the flavor in toasted almonds, so I leave mine in a little bit longer. Today it was about 20 minutes, and you look at these, they're nice and warm. They're starting to turn a little bit toasty. Looking really good. So what we're going to do is just grab this container that I normally put juice in, and we'll just put nuts in that and pour them down the chute. Okay, first we'll take the top off the feed chute, turn the juicer on, and start pouring the nuts in. Now, from here it'll take about, 5 minutes or so to put all the almonds in, tamp them down. You have to tamp them through here. And it's good to add a little olive oil. I probably should have started adding it at the beginning. A little salt helps too, but you can also just mix all that in later. Actually, that's what I do here, so that works fine too. The pulverized almonds are a little bit dry, as you might be able to tell, as they're coming out of the Greenstar. So we're going to add some olive oil to this batch, and then you should be able to see that what comes out is a lot more liquid. So making almond butter is not an exact science. You sort of have to gauge the amount of material you have, the almonds, and balance that out with the olive oil. And if you like yours salted, you're going to add some salt in too. You can do it now, or do it when you're all done like I'm doing here. And it still needs more olive oil. And all you do from here is take a spoon and stir it up. Just incorporate all the solids with that olive oil and the salt. Pretty soon it's starting to look pretty familiar. Like I say, it doesn't take that long. Yeah. I like mine soft. Okay, now that's looking like it's done. Yeah, let's check it out. A little taste for the cook. Let's jar it up. I always store these things in glass, not plastic. So that's from a 12-ounce package of organic almonds. And then we'll clean up the last bit and eat that. All you do now is put the lid on. And stick it in the fridge. Keep it fresh for probably up to a week. I usually consume mine within the first 3 or 4 days. Fresh homemade almond butter in just about 5 minutes. So healthy and so easy. Now, normally on my channel, I'm devoted to photography-related subjects. So if you shoot with an iPhone and want to learn how to do that better, or maybe you're an amateur photographer, I can probably help you out. So if that interests you, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because I never know when I'm going to upload something. It's pretty random. However, on my channel, I do include a small section on healthy eating and recipes, and that's where this video is landing. Well, I hope some of this information has been useful for you. And if you are intrigued about the photography, please do subscribe right over there, because that's pretty much what I upload. And especially if you're an iPhone shooter, I can probably help you out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll look for you next time. Bye-bye.